Now we will go over how to run ready-made ZennoPoster templates. When you already have a finished template, you need to set the settings to their default values, remove any auxiliary data you may have added, and then save it. After you have completed these steps, you need to go to ZennoPoster. This is the blue icon that appeared when you installed the program. Go here, and here you need to add your template. Click the green Add button, select your template, and then you can specify how many times to run your template. For example, if you enter 10 here, the template will be executed 10 times. You can specify the number of threads. For example, if you set it to 10 threads, then 10 pages with your template will run simultaneously, and each one will register an account. If you enter -1 here, your template will be executed an infinite number of times. Here you can specify whether to use a proxy or not. By default, leave it as do not use. You can also monitor the operation of your template. To do this, go to the instances and click on one of the windows that will appear here. Right-click and select Show. A browser window will open, and you can observe its operation. You can also track your progress specifically by viewing your program's logs. If any errors occur here, you can right-click on the error and copy its ID. Then, go back to Project Maker, click on this field, press Ctrl F, paste the ID or action here, and find out at which action the error occurred, and then modify it in some way to prevent this error. Also, you can let's stop this because when you specify how many times to run your project and the number of threads, it sometimes starts automatically, so you can stop it. Let's stop our project. You can do this either by stopping or interrupting it. Interruption stops the action that is currently being executed, while stopping only halts the project after the current action has finished executing. You can also perform tracing of your project. What does this mean? You enable it. Let's set it to 1 here. Start your project. If it hasn't done so automatically, your project has started. And then you go to the Documents section, ZennoLab, and you will see a Traces folder appear. Here, a folder with your project will be indicated, and inside it, there will be a text document containing all the logs, their dates, and their values. That is, whether it's good, bad, informational, and the action IDs. For example, here an error occurred. We copy it. We can even copy a part of the ID, but I'll copy it in full. Then we go back to our project maker, press Ctrl F, paste it, and find out on which action the error occurred. And then we modify our project. We change the action to fix this error. To disable tracing, you need to click the button that starts it. Just like in Project Maker, there are settings here where you can specify access keys for various services, CAPTCHAs, SMS, and so on. That's all for now. See you next time.